Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to review my portfolio and the performance for each of my holdings. Currently I'm at $173,221. My cash position is at $10,332. Trying to increase my cash position so that when there's opportunities to buy, then I can buy it right away with the cash. I'm trying to get this to at least $20,000, possibly even $30,000, just to increase my cash position and buy when there's opportunities to buy and when there's any dips. So scrolling down a little bit, looking at Vanguard S&P 500 VOO. This makes up 9.63% of my portfolio, currently up 21.98%. Most of my portfolio is made up of ETFs, and probably half of it is ETFs, half of it is in stocks. So this one up 21.98%. Next, Vanguard Information Technology. This makes up 7.69% of my portfolio, up 45.28% in terms of returns. Next, Schwab Large Cap ETF. This is redundant VOO. So it's some of the largest US companies. Portfolio diversity is 6.32%, 15.04%. Next is Spider S&P 500 ETF. This is also very similar to Schwab Large Cap ETF as well as the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This makes up 1.29% of my portfolio, currently up 31.48%. All right, getting into the stocks. So Apple, this makes up 5.95% of my portfolio, currently up 18.8%. Looking forward to tomorrow's event regarding their video streaming service. So hopefully that'll positively impact the stock performance. I know they're getting into a lot more services, so trying to increase their service segment of their business. So whether that's Apple Music or mobile apps or service like video streaming, hopefully that'll increase the revenue. It's also a fairly good dividend play. So I know Apple's trying to increase their dividend as well. Next is Alibaba. This is my exposure to the Chinese market. This makes up 5.47% of my portfolio, currently up 3.76%. Visa, 5.04% of my portfolio, up 41.97%. Microsoft makes up 4.87% of my portfolio, currently up 32.96%. Alphabet or Google, parent company Google. I have Class A shares, Class C shares. So this makes up about a little over 4% of my portfolio, considering both of my holdings. And I'm up 21.57% on Class A shares. Class C shares, I'm up 20.73%. Amazon makes up 4.08% portfolio, currently at 48.75%. Nvidia makes up 3.69% of portfolio. I'm down 5.11%. I think it's a good long-term play. And I know they dipped recently. Boeing makes up 3.55% of my portfolio, currently up 21.57%. This one dipped heavily in light of recent news. I actually did not add any positions. I'm still holding. I think it's a good play in the long term. Johnson & Johnson makes up 3.09% of my portfolio, up 7.36%. McDonald's makes up 2.69% of my portfolio, up 21.85%. United Health makes up 2.57% of my portfolio, currently up 45.39%. Tencent, this is another stock that's in the Chinese market. It's kind of like the Facebook of China. Well, I wouldn't say it's Facebook of China, but it's pretty big in social media and communications. It has a lot of services within their app. and this is up 2.12% on portfolio, up 7.28%. 3M makes up 2% of portfolio, currently up 5.53%. Home Depot makes up 1.96% of portfolio, currently up 24.42%. Berkshire Hathaway, so I'm up 11.17%. This makes up 1.85% of my portfolio. Facebook makes up 1.71% of my portfolio, currently up 5.83%. PayPal makes up 1.35% of my portfolio, currently up 33.89%. AT&T makes up 1.24% of my portfolio. I'm down 13.92%. This one I've been adding more to my portfolio, just buying the dips. Costco makes up 1.23% of my portfolio, currently up 6.5%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.9% of my portfolio, currently up 12.97%. PepsiCo makes up 0.84% of my portfolio, currently up 9%. Baozun, which is the Shopify China, makes up 0.78% of my portfolio, currently down 3.2%. So next couple stocks, I'm actually down. These are extremely volatile, high-risk stocks. So Baidu is like Google China. I'm down 25.66% portfolio. The next couple stocks are actually like they don't. They're very. The holdings very small in my portfolio. So for example, Baozun, it's not even a full percent in my portfolio, 0.78%. Baidu is 0.67%, so it's even smaller holding. Activision Blizzard makes up 0.65% of my portfolio. I'm down 28.54%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.58% of my portfolio. I'm down 7.2%. iQIYI makes up 0.29% of my portfolio. I'm down 17.89%. Constellation Brands, I'm down 23.4%, which makes up 0.29% of my portfolio. NetEase, I'm down 33.36%, makes up 0.27% of my portfolio. Next couple stocks are sector specific, so ETFs. So Vanguard Consumer Discretionary, I'm up 36.57%. This makes up a little over 1% of my portfolio. Vanguard Healthcare, I'm up 31.67%. This is 0.9% of my portfolio. Vanguard Industrials, I'm up 11.63%. Makes up 0.71% of my portfolio. Next couple ones are just S&P 500 ETFs. So iShares makes up 1.46% of my portfolio. I'm up 31.72%. Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF. This is almost a full percent of my portfolio. I'm up 16.87%. Schwab Large Cap Growth. I think that's all in terms of my stocks. So overall, my portfolio is up, and I plan to continue holding this for the long term. Continue to collect dividends, and as I mentioned, I'm going to increase my cash position to potentially $20,000, maybe even $30,000, so that I can buy when there's opportunities to buy. So that's all for this video. What are you doing with your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.